Question number 13. Missing fuel cap, insecure fuel tank, dripping fuel leak. Check the fuel tank cap and say, fuel tank cap is present, tight and secure. Now check the fuel tank and say, no damage to fuel tank and it is securely mounted to the tractor body with the help of the belts. Now check under the tank and say, there is no leakage under the tank. Now check the leakage under the cab and say, there is no leakage under the cab. Now check the leakage under the engine and say, there is no leakage under the engine. Now check the other tank and do the same. And say it's good. Now read minor or major and describe. If missing fuel tank cap, it is a minor defect, I will note down in my logbook, call the operator and I can drive. If insecure fuel tank or dripping fuel leak, these are the major defects, I will note down in my logbook, call the operator and I will not drive.